Adobe InDesign is a powerful desktop publishing program that gives you complete creative control for both professional and personal use. Discover the tools used by professionals to create impressive web and print media. Our Adobe Creative Cloud InDesign Introduction course will help you. Get started with InDesign by learning step-by-step how to navigate the Creative Cloud Workspace and begin working with content. Add artistic elements to your design by using typography and graphics. Control the workflow of a media campaign and avoid errors by learning to utilize Preflight. And learn to manage objects from other Adobe applications and transform these objects using effects and color management. Take your print media to the next level with Adobe Creative Cloud InDesign Introduction.